Alright guys, so this is day one of the video series. We're going to start disassembling the axle for Rainier. We're going to take off the hub assembly, get the steering off, get the diff cover off so we check out the ring and pinion and take it out. And we're going to start marking up where we need to cut for this axle so we can get the truss on. But first we got to get this thing out, so let's pack that out, set up our camera, and we can start working. Alright, so one of the big things about swapping an axle like this, along with the Super Duty 1 tons that I have on mine, is that we have to cut a lot of the casting off of the original casting in order to get the truss on. To do that, we have to do a bunch of straight cuts and then diagonal cuts and pretty much hammer it off and then weld it to the casting itself. And then we could fit the whole truss how it's supposed to be all the way along and get our brackets on for the X-J. Alright guys, so we got both axles taken apart. All the axle shafts are taken out, brakes are taken off, differentials are opened up, drained of oil and water with this one. We need to figure out what we're going to do with brakes, take off the brackets, clean up the whole axle for welding, do gears, maybe a locker in the future. The same thing for the front, figure out what we're going to do for steering, for molly shafts, ring and pinion, locker, cut the casting up, and then redo everything just to make sure it's going to last them a long time.